In this video, I'm going to show you how to make passive income with this easy program. And it doesn't matter if you've never done affiliate marketing before or if you are a seasoned pro. It's simple, it's easy, and it gets results. So this is normally how it looks when you are being an affiliate marketer and you want that passive income. You start off with traffic from you send that traffic to a product or service, someone makes a purchase, you make your commission. Now, this is all well and good, but how can you control the whole process way more, get more conversions and get repeat buyers? But before we get onto that, how about where to find the products in the first place? Well, I'm going to suggest a website called Muncheye. Now, Muncheye is actually like a calendar showing you all the different launches that are going on, not just on Warrior Plus, but JVZoo and a few others in between as well. Now, I'm going to pick on one of them here that I can see launching in a couple of days, which here is Healthy Nutrition. And once you click through, it's going to show you a JV page, which is joint venture. So it's showing you what's available and what you can actually get, what the product is, the commissions, and all the good stuff that comes along with it. So the most important thing is why you should promote this product, right? So it's something that everyone loves, blah, 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 blah. That's not the most important thing. The product is obviously important. People are going to have to want to buy it, otherwise you're going to earn no commissions. But this is just one part of the puzzle. So I want to go through it a little bit more so you can see on the inside, so you know once you start promoting something exactly what to expect. And this is the product in question. So it's a Healthy Nutrition PLR package. Now that means you can basically rebrand it, right? So anything that's on here you can resell. So as a customer, if I was into a health channel, for example, let's say I was doing a health channel on YouTube, now I would be able to buy this as a customer, rebrand it, and then sell it on. So obviously that's filling a need. So if someone's got a health channel, they want things to sell. They want to be able to make money from their YouTube channel. So how do we get the traffic in the first place? Any product like this, I'd normally recommend doing some kind of review and putting it onto either social media or even more powerfully onto YouTube. Now, if you don't want to spend any money at all, then you're going to need to keep doing this process. Now, if you really want to get ahead of the game, then I would suggest just throwing a couple of pounds into a paid promotion for your YouTube video, which will make sure that you are top of the stack. Now, I would also add in something called bonuses. So if you are trying to entice someone to purchase this product, throw some bonuses in as well. Now, this might be really as simple as going ahead and finding some other videos that you can put together as a curated playlist, if you like, which can't really be found in people unless they're really looking for it, right? So it's simple stuff. Now, this is pretty much what everybody's teaching as far as how to accelerate that passive income. So you still got the traffic from you, but this time, instead of going straight to the product, we're doing what we call an opt-in. So we want to be able to give something away. You can go and find a fact sheet or something similar that's going to help people get results based on the program that they're trying for. As soon as they opt in, they're going to go onto the email list. But more importantly, they're going to go over to the product. And when you make that purchase, you still get that commission, which obviously is a similar type of thing that we were looking at before. But this time you introduce what we call a bridge page. So you're becoming the bridge between the traffic and the product itself. So you are building that bridge. So you're making it easier for people to decide to buy the product. And that means the clicks which come through to the product at that point, I'll just highlight it here. People come through at this point, they're going to be much more likely to purchase, which means your conversion rates are going to go up. The vendor is going to be super happy with you. And of course, you've got an opportunity there to win prizes on these launches. But more importantly than that, you're going to have people joining your email list. So when we looked at the previous example, which is just here, you are not collecting any information off anyone. You're just selling them to the product. So all this traffic essentially is wasted. You don't have an asset because the people which own the product, when people opt in or purchase there, they have the asset, right? So they have what you need. So if we go back down to here, your email list is king. That's the one thing that's going to make all the difference for you going forward, because you can then email several times the list back to the product that people were interested in. And it doesn't stop there. because if you really want to make a huge difference, even if you've got a small list, then you want to make sure that you are tagging people when they go into your opt-in. So in this case, people are interested in health. So you might want to create a health tag, because then if you find another product that's based on health, you can email those people. So if you go ahead and start off with a different product, let's say it's based around YouTube, now the tag is going to become YouTube, right? So you're going to put people into an email segment, which is simple as that. So let's say now I've got a list. Let's say I've got 100 people on my list for health, 100 people on my list for YouTube. Now, if I wanted to plug it into another YouTube product, I'm not going to send the same email out to people which opted in because they're interested in a health product. It's just not going to make sense for them. Your opt-in rates are going to be low, your open rates are going to be low, and effectively your click rate and commission is going to go down the toilet. But now you've got this email segment, right? So this email segment is going to go back to this new offer. So in this case, it's a YouTube product. So these people only are going to be getting those emails for this new product, and they're much likely to make a commission. So hopefully it all made sense. Now, if you want to learn how to make bridge pages and how to put it all together, I'm going to include a video which will coming up next. But the most important thing there is, if you look in the description, you're going to find an example of a bridge page that you can download and start using today. Now, as I mentioned, if you really want to learn how bridge pages work and how you can put them together, I've gone through a much more in-depth tutorial on this, and you can see that video right here. So make sure you go through that to continue making that passive income.